Life can feel like a long ride. Well, full of steep climbs, unexpected detours, and exhilarating descents. Just like in my previous blogs, you would see my cycling habit. But just like in cycling, balance is the key to enjoy the journey. Hello, this is Warner. This is my life in motion. And today, I want to share how cycling has taught me some valuable lessons about balancing work, life, and even building this project of mine of YouTube. So, whether you're a cyclist, a father, and a workaholic, I just came from a training for my ongoing job. So, I hope this ride will inspire you. And with life experience, I was able to share to you. Maybe I could take you back a few months ago or a year ago when I started this YouTube channel as a cycling vlog, but work and family has taken a toll on me, so I had to choose. And the love that I have for cycling in this YouTube channel that I am creating, all the morning rides, all the long work hours, and managing this YouTube channel seems unimaginable and very tiring and toxic until was able to balance between this YouTube, work, and life, and especially my family. So when I started this YouTube channel 4 years ago, I think there was no video that I uploaded. And then when I bought my first action camera, my
Dogs, man, dogs.
thing was I had to follow my idols in cycling vlogging and all of my experience with the races and the journey around near our house, near our village, going on a race, on a gravel race, joining Audax was a very good experience, and it has taught me how to take care of your nutrition, especially when you're cycling for 100 and 200 miles or 300 kilometers. You really have to fuel up. You have to prepare yourself. You have to have that mindset that you are going to do this race and finish it. Maybe not on a podium, but in small increments of pedaling and cycling towards it will lead us to the finish line. During the time that I was cycling, it wasn't just that work was suffering, and it was also my rides. On one particular ambitious ride, when I joined out to first experience of my 50-kilometer gravel ride, and the routes were very, very rocky, lots of ruts, and the hill climbs were like hitting the wall, and my legs would like to quit, but my mindset had no choice not to stop, though my energy has already plummeted. So sitting by that trail, I thought about this mirrored approach to life. I was going full throttle without pacing myself, ignoring the signs of burnout and forgetting to enjoy the ride. Just like in this video, as you can see, I'm enjoying my ride. So that ride and the days that followed forced me to rethink how I approach not just cycling, but everything in life. The three biggest lessons I've learned, which has transformed the way I work, live, and even create a content for this channel. Well, as you can see, in cycling, starting too fast can leave you gasping halfway through the ride. And it also applies to work and life. I used to cram with my schedule, thinking busy meant being productive. But just like in any ride, sustainable progress comes from finding your rhythm. And now I plan my weeks like training, scheduling, focused on the key tasks in my work, in my training, and by deliberate downtime and resting and recovery. So it's not about doing it all at once. It's about pacing your effort. And when you anticipate challenges, see, we learn to watch for headwinds, rough terrains, and climbs that would test our limbs, just like anticipating challenges in our work, in our family, in our life. Those challenges would not hinder you, but will help you to stay prepared. It's no different with life and cycling. Well, I've started mapping out my projects and content ahead of time. Just like this video, I made this a week ago before my training for my profession, so I could produce this video and hopefully I could upload it sooner. So I wasn't able to blog or have my voice on it, so this is it. It's like carrying a spare tube on a ride, right? You don't wait for the flat to think about preparation, and consistency is one key, and you have to be supple enough to think of what you will refresh your mind and do the things that you really want to set on and the result that you want to get. So early on, I was so focused hitting the metrics, so it became personal. Longer rides, faster speeds, more content, that I forgot that when I started cycling in this project of YouTube in the first place, because this is my legacy and I love cycling. And now I make a conscious effort to slow down and appreciate the process, whether it's pausing during a ride to enjoy the view or celebrating small wins like finishing this video. And I remind myself to enjoy the journey. What matters more than just destination. So this is the lessons. These lessons have changed how I approach everything. At work, I prioritize recovery as much as effort whether it's taking a short break after that training, which started from 7 o'clock to 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and with cycling. And this channel, we have to focus on consistency and meaningful content rather than trying to post every single day. So balance doesn't mean doing everything perfectly. It means finding what works for you, for me, and adjusting it as needed. Like shifting gears on a bike. It's all adapting to the terrain ahead. So, what about you? Hope you're pedaling through life without any hesitations and setting your goals and doing the right plan and strategy that you have gone through and taking the time to find your balance. So I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. You could type in balance, whether you're a cyclist, a father, a creator, or just someone looking for more balance in life. So if you found this video helpful, you can give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and more balance on your work, and with God's gracious promises and fulfillments, blessings as always. Cheers. Cheers, cheers.